Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the world of diagnostic tools, comparing two major players in the market, Autel and Launch. We're here to help you make an informed decision on which tool suits your needs better. Launch and Autel are two of the best brands on the market, as is well known. Either Launch X431 or Autel Diagnostic System Scanner is powerful to help car repairing. Both brands offer very powerful, comprehensive, advanced, and reliable scan tools. Autel is well known for its high quality, extremely user-friendly, and innovative diagnostic tools. Launch, on the other hand, produces quick, accurate, OEM-level diagnostics. There are some things that a Launch scan tool can do better than the Autel, and some things Autel can do better than the Launch. It really comes down to the type of scanner you need. If you're looking for a basic or mid-range scan tool, then we have produced the following comparison chart. 1. Autel Maxisys Ultra versus Launch X431 Pad 7. Launch, a Chinese company established in 1992, provides a wide variety of diagnostic tools such as handheld scanners, diagnostic tablets, and advanced diagnostic systems. Launch products are known for their accuracy, speed, and user-friendly interfaces. They are competitively priced and come with good customer support. Autel, another Chinese company specializing in diagnostic tools, also offers handheld scanners, diagnostic tablets, and advanced diagnostic systems. Autel products are known for their advanced features, including bidirectional control and programming capabilities. They have a reputation for being durable and reliable. Now, let's examine the differences between Launch and Autel to help you make an informed decision. Software startup and protection. Launch X431 relies on the Vehicle Communication Interface (VCI). If you lose the VCI, you'll need to buy a new one and transfer your account. However, if you lose the tablet, you can simply buy a new one and log in with your username and password. Autel's software is built directly into the tablet. If you lose the tablet, you lose all the software. However, if you lose the VCI, you can easily purchase a new one. Additional devices. Launch allows you to add key programming functionality to your device. Autel, on the other hand, requires a separate device for key programming. If you need both scanning and key programming capabilities, consider choosing Autel I'm608 Pro 2. The Launch X431 Pad 7 allows you to add a TPM SCAN for TPM sensor programming. Autel does not offer this option, so you would need to purchase a separate device like TS501 or TS601. Both Launch and Autel offer the ability to add a borescope camera and a battery tester. Key programming. Autel provides better key programming capabilities. It requires the Maxium tablet I'm508, I'm608 Pro 2, but not the MS Ultra. TPM sensor programming and relearning. Autel surpasses Launch in TPM sensor programming and relearning. However, Autel requires its standalone TPM scanner. Price. Autel products are generally more expensive than Launch products. Additionally, Autel's update subscription is pricier than Launch's. While Autel offers more advanced features, Launch provides a more budget-friendly option. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. Summary. 1. Both X431 Pad 7 and Autel Ultra Lite support the most comprehensive functions for diagnosis. 2. X431 Pad 7 is excellent in online programming but restricting to regions. 3. Launch X431 supports more extended features like multimeter, TPMs, and heavy truck diagnosis, but needing extra costs. 4. Autel Ultra Lite and MIC908 Pro 2 supports to diagnose McLaren, Tesla, while Launch X431 need to purchase. 5. Autel MIC908 Pro 2 is the latest device to equip with newest CPU and system. Ultimately, choosing between Launch and Autel depends on your specific needs and budget. Both brands offer high-quality products that can help diagnose and repair automotive problems. It's important to carefully consider the features and prices of each product before making a decision. Thank you for joining us today in this comparison between Autel and Launch. We hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, happy wrenching!